Hi guys, it's Peachie. Today we're going to make some cute cat plushies from socks. These are inspired by Neko Atsume characters, and to be honest, when I first planned on making this DIY, I was picturing this kind of plushie. But my friend came over and made a super adorable one that's literally a ball of cuteness. So skip to this part if you want to see the ball version. But for now, we're going to make Sunny. So to make the body, you'll need a fuzzy sock and then just add pillow stuffing until you're happy with the shape. Then cut off the part of the sock you don't need and then close the body by doing a running stitch along the top. And then pull the thread really tight. The hole should shrink and you can tuck any excess fabric inside the body as well. You can also sew the hole shut to prevent it from reopening. To make Sunny's cute patterns, I'm using some yellow cloth to make his patches. I would recommend you use felt instead of cloth because I had to fold down the edges as I sewed to kind of hem it. I'm just attaching my yellow cloth with a running stitch, making sure that the needle goes all the way down through the sock layer and then up through the yellow layer. You can definitely just use a glue gun if you prefer not to sew. Next, to make the ears, just fold a rectangular piece of fabric like this and then cut off the excess. I also sewed the ears on the same way I sewed the yellow oval on, but then again you can use a glue gun if you prefer. Next, you should cut out some black felt circles for the eyes and arrange them however you like and then glue it on. To make the mouth, I did a bit of embroidery by using black thread and poking the needle through the nose, down and up through the fabric, and then through the nose again. And then I did the same thing towards the corners of the mouth, but instead of poking it through the nose, you want to poke the needle towards the side. You can repeat this a couple of times to make your lines a bit darker. You can also just cut out a felt mouth and glue it on. It looks quite cute as well, and I did it for the other plushie. And to make the tail, just cut out a rectangular piece of fuzzy fabric and then roll the sides inwards and glue them together. You can trim off the ends to make it round and then stuff it through the hole we made earlier. To make the little paws, just cut out another small rectangle and fold it to resemble a ball shape. Attach it to the body however you like, and your little cat plushie is finished. For the round ball version, you can cut off the top part of the sock to get the stubby tube shape and then just do a running stitch along the top, fill it with stuffing, and then close off the other end. To make Marshmallow, cut out a gray oval for his cute markings and use black felt for his eyes, nose, and mouth. I tried using fabric glue instead of sewing this time, but honestly hot glue is so much better, but I just didn't want to keep on burning myself for this project, so I used fabric glue. To make his little paws, I'm just cutting two long semicircles, or well, semi-ovals, and gluing them together. And then I'm just pressing it to his body. And to make the ears, I'm just kind of folding it the same way that I did for Sunny. And then I'm trimming off the excess. Marshmallow is so cute, and I find it so funny that this cat plushie is so round and fat. I also tried to make Pickles, and he turned out pretty cute as well, but I think he kind of resembles a hamster. My dad actually thought he was a guinea pig when I first showed him, so thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. See you in my next video.